Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. I'm at GFX Racing for race 2 of the fall 2025 season. The AAA Superstock, I'm still running my MR-04 LM with this Mercedes Sauber body on it. Let me just pop off the body. I didn't tell you about the couple of changes that I've made to this just to make it kind of AAA competitive. Changed out the box stock motor for a X-Speed V-type, V-spec brushed faster motor, which is required to be the speed needed for AAA. Most people are running AAA with an Evo brushless car, but I'm choosing not to do that because this is the more affordable way to do it, where you can just keep your box stock electronics. I'm running a purple front spring, and my front knuckles, I just recently, in the last event I had them at this too, but I never told you, I have the aluminum front knuckles in the 1.5 degree camber, so it leans the tires in this way by 1.5 degrees. Handles a little bit better. Now the crazy thing is that I'm running a box stock front LM tire because when I run a more aggressive front tire, it gives me more steering, but I'm actually less consistent on track and I will end up turning in too much or traction rolling. So I'm on a 20 degree rear LM tire in Kyosho spec, and the front tire is, crazy enough, a box stock front tire. Some weights under the chassis. We used to run lead strips, pickleball weights, but those are considered toxic. So we've changed out to these safer versions of weight strips. I don't remember what they're made out of. Tungsten, maybe? I did change my rear T-plate to a carbon. I believe this is the thinnest. You get 3 of them in a pack. Which also works on an LM pod, which is this. Anyway, we'll go up now in AAA. I imagine I'm in the B main, I'm not sure. All right. AAA, you want me up that close? Okay. AAA, B main, starting 3rd. I've got Chris Cleary in pink ahead of me, Ali in white, me in green, Paul in orange and black, and Lauren in silver.
AAA B. Everybody's going to toe to toe. This is the main. In less than 5, here we go. And they're off. AAA B main.
Oh, why does my car feel so underpowered?
Chris in the pink mobile. Chris is getting around going into the infield. Ali right behind him. It'll be a minute to recognize it. Didn't know Ali got a new body. We're about 30 seconds in, turn running over Chris, Ali, John, Paul, and Lauren. Ali's last lap was the knuckles of 11-1.
Oh, that was
After
a bad
45
call.
seconds, the top drivers are Christine, Alan, John, Paula, Lauren.
No, I planned to go.
Another flip.
Smooth is fast and fast is smooth.
Well, Barry taking a little further.
Whoa, get off there.
Infield there.
After 1 minute,
130
the top
down.
drivers are Christine, Alan, John, Paula, Lauren.
Our leader Chris in the 10-6 last lap. He's on a 28 lap pace. Ali 27, John 27, Paul 26, and Lauren 16. So Ali is only about 3 seconds behind Chris. 3 minutes left. Lots of time to do work. Well, Chris getting it wrong going into the finish line. Just kind of let Ali close in on him. Both Chris and Ali, the only ones in the 10s.
After 2 minutes and 15 seconds, the top drivers are Christine, Alan, John, Paula, Lauren.
Looks like our man John Kennedy taking a beat.
had to say my name. I was keeping it off the board so good till then.
And here comes Chris. And take the Porsche. Like he's been working through
Whoa!
cartwheel.
Whoa!
That's action on the infield going to the finish line.
2 minutes left, 3 minutes, 1 second.
Jostling
Some position changes on that one.
John, fall back. 1.
Oh no! Couldn't see the corner.
Oh, there's another cartwheel. That corner proves to be a problem. So grab your car and flip it. $130 left. $130 left. See who's going to get the bump to the A main, the big boy. Right now, it looks like Chris Cleary's going to take out the big Porsche. Hammer down 10-3. 27 lap pace. Alley 26. John Kennedy 25. Paul 22. Lauren 17.
Oh, I'm sorry for not yielding, Chris. I just realized you've been in the lead the whole time.
Straight away. I'm winding down. We have 30 seconds left of this B main.
After 4 minutes, 32 seconds. The top drivers are Chrissy, Alien, John, fall back. 1.
Okay, still holding
Changing the
third.
order. Everybody's pretty spread out here.
Chrissy done.
Last time.
All right.
Chris Cleary in the pink.
Okay.
Take the win.
Congrats, Chris.
Thank you.
Good job. Sorry I didn't get out of your way.
Oh, no, it's all good.
All right, started third, finished third. That's how she goes sometimes. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. If you've never subscribed, you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.